Subscribe and like this video, or this dog will destroy all your shoes.
All right, I'm gonna go. I need to go to work and make money for this fucking family. But you guys have a great day, just sitting around doing nothing, sleeping all day. All of that. Yeah, just enjoy yourselves.
Whoa.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
Niggas in my grill tryna phase me.
Smoothie, what's in there? Oh,
Smoothie.
look at his little head. He's
You did not expect that.
Look at him.
Smoothie's so scared, yeah.